Hi there, thanks for joining us. My name is Fiorella and I am with RVshare. Today we're going to talk about how to go about packing for a great RV trip, along with a few hand-picked recommendations from the RVshare team. As always, if you like what you see in this video, please remember to hit that like button down below. It helps us get in front of people like you who might find this information helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more regular tips and tricks on RV camping. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1, double check the listing. This may seem like a no-brainer, but the first thing you want to do when getting ready to pack for your trip is go back to the listing page of the RV you are renting. The listing page should be your first stop because it is where the owner will most likely outline everything that is included in the RV. You could find this either at the description or the amenities sections, and remember, a lot of the information goes beyond the pictures, so make sure you read all the way through. It is also important to remember that even if you've rented an RV before, that not every owner runs their business the same. So if your previous rental had the must-have items that you needed, this owner might not. So it never hurts to double check. Now, we encourage all owners to provide utensils, linens, and towels, and most of them do. But it never hurts to double check the listing to make sure you understand what is included and what's not included in the RV rental you booked. You can easily navigate to the listing on the trips section of your account page. Tip number 2, ask the owner. So if you've double-checked the listing and it's still unclear whether or not the RV includes items that will make or break your experience, we recommend you reach out to the owner directly and ask. Owners are running a business and they expect to receive questions from their customers about their unit. Our RV owners are avid RV travelers and they know their units the best. They're a great point of contact to provide advice on what to pack considering the people that are going with you and the activities that you'll be doing. Good communication is encouraged from all parties. Tip number 3, food. Don't get us wrong, packing your own road trip snacks is a great way to minimize your travel budget and to stay healthy and fit while on the road. But if you're trying to cram a farmer's market worth of goodies into your camper fridge, you're gonna end up with spoilage and waste, especially once you get tempted by that good-looking food truck at your destination. Our best suggestion? Bring along food to eat along the way and ingredients for a quick dinner so you won't have to stress on your first night. I actually like to prep and freeze some meals, so I always have easy and ready-to-go dinners. Once you've arrived at your destination and have a better understanding of your needs, it might be worth going out to the grocery store. Bonus tip, consider using tinfoil and crock-pot meals to minimize the use of pots and pans. Water can go fast when you're in an RV, and using tinfoil or one-pot meals is a great way to save time and vital resources. Tip number 4, essentials. Now you might be wondering, Fiorella, where is the packing list? I'm ready to go. And I'm sorry to disappoint, but there is no way we could create just one packing list for every person in RV trips since they're all so different. However, I have dropped in the description down below a link to a list that should be a great starting off point for everyone. What I can say is remember to pack the essentials. And by that we mean clothes for the environment that you're going to be in, first aid kit that includes medications you take, toiletries, and all that good stuff. You might want to consider also bringing along entertainment options if you were to encounter bad weather, like books or games you like. And things that you would be sad you missed to pack. Like for me, it would be my favorite coffee from my local roaster and my pillow. Tip number 5. Now this is less than a tip and more of an insider scoop from the RVshare team. We asked our team what would be some must-have items to bring along in an RV trip. And we're going to share them with you. And who better to ask than the employees of RVshare, a group who loves to travel and does it often. Check out the full list in the description down below, but some of the top hits include headphones, a lightweight and compressible jacket, Kindles and books, insulated water bottle, and for folks with children, a blackout curtain was at the top of the list. Tip number 6, and our final tip for you on what to pack, is really more a reminder that nothing is truly make or break at the end of the day. Half of the fun of going on an RV trip is discovering the unknowns and getting a little more spontaneous than your day-to-day life. Sure, it stinks when you don't have an item that you want, but it usually just lasts a moment and it passes. So that's it. Those were our top tips for packing for an RV trip, and we hope you found this information helpful and useful for your trip ahead. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel down below for more tips and tricks on RV camping. Again, I'm Fiorella, and I'll see you next time. Bye!